Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve CAT 2006 examination question. So let's start. If A by B equal to 1 by 3, B by C equal to 2, C by D equal to 1 by 2, D by E equal to 3 and E by F equal to 1 by 4, then find the value of ABC by DEF. So we have given A by B equal to 3. So this implies B equal to 3A. So this is equation number 1. Now next, B by C equal to 2 it is given. So this implies C equal to B by 2. Now substitute the value of B from equation number 1. So we have 3A by 2. So this is equation number 2. Now next C by D equal to 1 by 2. This is given. This implies D equal to 2C. Now substitute the value of C from equation number 2. So we have 2 3A by 2. So this is equal to 3A and this is equation number 3. Now next D by E equal to 3 given. So this implies E equal to D by 3. Now substitute the value of D from equation number 3. So we have 1 by 3 into D is 3A. So this is equal to A and this is equation number 4. Now next one, E by F equal to 1 by 4. So this implies F equal to 4E. F equal to 4E. Now substitute the value of E from equation number 4. We have 4A and this is equation number 5. Now we want to find ABC upon DEF. DEF. Now substitute the value of B, C, D, E, F. So this is equal to A. B is 3A into 3A into 3A by 2 upon 3A into A into 4A from equation number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, or you can say using equation number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So A, all A cancel out, 3 and 3 cancel. So we have this is equal to, this implies ABC upon DEF equal to 3 by 8. So our answer is 3 by 8. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Find more such type of questions. There are the links in the description where you can find many different types of questions. Those are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Railways, Bank PO, etc. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.